Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our order suspended system. First, in order to create an order suspended system, please follow our tutorial on how to set up our company users and the company structure of your company so that orders can get suspended correctly. I am logged in as our testing 4 user as shown here, so that I can demonstrate how the orders will get suspended up the tree as shown here. Once testing 4 places an order, that order will get suspended to my employee and testing 5, who will both get emails saying an order has been suspended. Once one of these managers approves the order, that order will then get sent to testing 6 in order for testing 6 to approve. And once testing 6 approves the order, that order will then get placed. Any order that gets suspended by testing 4, anyone above that user, which includes my employee, test 5, and testing 6, will all get emails saying that testing 4 has placed an order which is above their purchase limit, and that order has now been suspended. Testing 4 has a purchase limit of 1 cent. Remember, 1 cent means that all orders placed by testing 4 have been suspended. My employee has a purchase limit of $100, and test 5 purchaser has a limit of 1 cent. Testing 6, since it is the company admin, has no purchase limit. Now we will test the order suspended system by placing a quick order. After placing the order as testing 4, I will now be navigated to this screen showing that I have placed the order, but this order exceeds your purchase limit and has been sent to your order for approval, and it will also show the order acknowledgement here. Navigating to testing 5's email, which is the manager of testing 4, we can see that there are 2 emails that are sent. One is a suspended order web reference notification. This is the email that is sent to all people that are above the tree of testing 4. So everyone above testing 4 on the tree will receive this email stating that web reference number has been suspended, and testing 4 placed this order and is awaiting approval by testing 5 or my employee, which are the 2 managers of testing 4. Navigating back, we can also see that there's a second email that is sent. Now this email is the one that is sent to the original order placer and to the manager who needs to approve the order right now. So this pending order approval web reference will be sent to testing 4, who is CC'd in this email, and it is mainly sent to testing 5 and my employee, who are the 2 managers of testing 4, telling them that they need to approve this order. This link will take the manager directly to our website if they are already logged in. As I am logged into testing 4 right now, this link will not work, so give me 1 second to pull up the corresponding page. I have now logged into testing 5's email and his account on the website. So now we will test this button. So if testing 5 is already logged into the website, after that manager clicks this button, it will take them directly to the page which will contain all of the information they need to approve this order. As you can see, the MSI web test item I placed under the quick order pad is shown here, as well as the price/U of M, the quantity, and the subtotal. One other way that the manager can get to this screen as well without actually clicking on the link that is shown here, the manager can simply log into their account on midlandsci.com, navigate to their My Orders page, and on the My Orders page, as shown in the portals tutorial, we have all of these portals, and on the far right is the Orders to Approve portal. After clicking on this portal, it will bring up all orders that this manager needs to approve. They can either simply click on the check mark and approve all the orders they would like to approve right away, or they can come in here and click on the View or Edit button to view/edit the order. Some of the items that the manager can change after clicking on the Edit button are the PO number, They can change the quantity. They can add new items. And after changing the quantity, make sure you please click update so that this page will update. If the manager would like to change the order comments or the shipping method, they simply need to click on this edit button down here, and they can change the shipping method and add any more order comments they would like to. If they would just like to cancel this, they simply just need to click cancel. And if they would like to cancel any of this, of the changes they made, they simply just need to click back. If the manager needs to cancel this order completely, please contact us at Midland Sci so that we can cancel the order for you, as a manager and admin do not have the ability to delete this order out of the system. That is something we need to do manually. Now, let's say that this manager does approve this order. I will click approve. And since testing 5 only has a 1 cent purchase limit, after clicking approve, we will see that this order is approved, but it exceeds my purchase limit and has been sent to my manager for approval. Navigating back to testing 4's email, we can now see that there is an order that has been placed. And we received 2 email notifications. Since testing 4 is the original order placer, testing 4 will always receive 2 email notifications. One specifying that the web reference order has been suspended. It was placed by testing 4 and is awaiting now testing 6 approval. Navigating back, we can also see that the second email the user receives is the email that is sent to the manager that needs to approve the order now. Testing 6 is now the manager that needs to approve the order. And now testing 6 can simply, after logging into their email, click this button and it'll take them back to the same order screen as testing 5's. Now I will log out of testing 5 and log into testing 6 and continue this training. Logging into testing 6 email, you can see that testing 6 also received this 2 email notifications. The first one being the one that showed that testing 4 placed the order, which is now needed to be approved by testing 6 himself. And clicking on the pending order approval email, testing 6 can now simply click this button. And if he or she is logged into their account on midlandsci.com, it'll take them directly to this order approval page. The company admin has the same editing rights as the company manager. After clicking edit, they can edit the PO number, the quantity, and they can add items as well. And they can also edit the shipping method and order comments, same as the manager. Now, if this manager decides to approve this order, after clicking approve, since this company admin, testing 6, is the highest person on the tree, they will receive the notification that this order has been approved and web reference number is placed. Navigating back to testing 6 email, we can see that they will receive this email, which will say testing 6 has placed and approved the web reference number, which exceeded testing 4's mail users purchase limit. Testing 5, my employee, and testing 4, testing 4 who placed the order, will also receive this email stating that testing 6 has placed and approved testing 4's email. That concludes our tutorial on how our order approval system works on the new website. Thank you for choosing Midland Scientific, and have a wonderful day.